If you're tired of starting over, stop giving up.
What up, guys? Thanks for jumping right back in. All right, like I said, this is a little different than the normal. This is our afternoon stock talk. This is aftermarket stock talk. This is 5 p.m. Pacific Coast Standard, whatever that time is, stock talk. So yeah, guys, this ain't the normal. So yeah, come on, kick it with me. Literally just bored and just starting to think about the idea of a afternoon stock talk. What do you guys think about that? You guys think like an afternoon stock talk sounds good? Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, coming right over. What up? All right. Ah, my face. That's right. This is what happens when you restart the computer. Click, 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 click. Wee. All right, that's how you do that. What's up? All right, that's how we get our face up here. All right, guys, let me know if this works any better. So I was up here streaming just a moment ago, and then I guess it went. It was freezing for a lot of people. And then I did a stream test. And the stream test was like, your internet sucks. And I'm like, ah, man. So let's go ahead and just check that speed test one more time here. Like, yeah, I was like at 1.5 with upload. Download, I'd get amazingly, but upload, for some reason, that just fluctuates. So let's see what's happening here while I'm streaming. Hit that 4. Let's go. 2 to 3. 3 to 4. All right, yeah, that's decent. It should be running smooth now. So yeah, what's up, guys? This ain't the normal stock talk. Like I said, we do our stock talk Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Right here, I just like, man, I was bored. I'm like, you know what? I was home. I wasn't feeling good earlier. I woke up and I'm like, you know what? I'm feeling amazing now. I'm feeling like great. So what we're gonna do now is jump on over to just what we normally do, which is just talk some stocks, guys. Let's see how things are looking. So yeah, earlier, how was everyone else's day, guys? Like, everyone else find some good wins, some good gems? Let me know in the chat, guys. Look at this beautiful chat I have going up behind me. If you ain't participating in this chat, you don't know where it's at. But nah, man, it's actually always good to just be watching, listening. I won't blame you for that one either. A lot of people do this while they're at work and things like that, so I ain't gonna blame you. But if you can participate, go ahead and participate. So yeah, guys, like I mentioned earlier before the stream, like I said, lagged out practically. Expa, it did great, came right back around and then did its thing again. But you know what, it was enough for me to, you know what, I'm just gonna jump off that. And sadly, I jumped off it a little too soon. But I'm like, you know what, I had so much in XSpot. I'm like, let's start diversifying this portfolio, getting my dream schedule out, my little dream watch list. And so, oh dude, XSpot is great. Heck yeah, Natasha. Woot woot. No, Nikki, it's like it's all about, if you didn't buy it while it was low, that's why it's gonna look scary. Like, we've been watching XSpot. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Oh wait, that's right. It had a split and then it's kind of did that dip now because that split scared a little people here. But now it's the news of it launching. Oh my goodness. It should, like, I've seen predictions where they're saying 10 by the end of the month. And so it's always good to hold and watch on to. And so if I have it on the watch list, I see it going up, I'm gonna boop boop. Like, especially if you got some day trades out there, people, great one to take advantage of. Will you get looking up that U1K? U1K. Let's see here. That Urban One. Let's see. K was like, it's weird. It's like the second one that is right next to it. And is it going to follow the same exact thing that the other one did? I don't know, because the other one was like at $2 and shot up to $40, and this one's like, it's getting attention. Not saying it won't get attention. Like, it's awesome that these are, so this is good. Genus, all good news, has decent volume but keeps going down. Like, dude, Ricky, not even a joke, dude. It's been kind of like a manipulation when it comes to the stock market to the new investors is kind of what it is. There's so many people going around, especially on these stock market groups, all these stock market groups. And think about it this way. All these other stock market groups are thousands upon thousands of people, like 50,000 minimum groups. 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. And you have all these new investors. I get it coming into it because, like, you know, as March came, it was a great time to come into it. It just genuinely was. But you have all these seasoned investors that are talking down on it to the degree, and like, I hate to say it, of course, it's going to be the one stock that we like look at and adore is the baby channel, right? You know, but it's like, as parents and all that stuff and all the new investors getting into it, like, we see the potential of such things like this, and we know that, like, you know, like, goodness gracious, Cartoon Network didn't just turn into Cartoon Network overnight, guys. Not at all. Not at all. And like, we could like think back on when that was just a small little thing, right? And like, this is going to be that 2020 thing, likely. Oh, if you were born in 2020 to 2028, you must have been born around Cartoon Channel, and you know all these cartoons. Oh my goodness, look at all that. Oh, I remember all these. Look at this, all the nostalgia. It's kind of going to turn into that, guys. I really feel like it's going to be one of those. But with all these dips, it's insanely, like, it sucks. Like, as much as I can say it's a great stock, it's a great company, it going down does not make sense to me, except that it was taken advantage to a degree. It was opening week. It's still opening week to that sense, guys. Maybe we are still got to let it settle down from that opening spike. Like I said before, that spike was sadly drowned out by that pump and dump the week before and the red weekend. So 5 was its top, but good thing a lot of us were watching while it was down at 130 to $2 kind of a degree. So a good majority of us did get some profits. A lot of us jumped off when it was jumping up to $7, $8, $9, jumped off and got those profits. That's when I jumped off Genius and moved over to XSPA. So when it did the pump and dump, I wasn't part of it, sadly. Like, I'm not saying I saw it coming. No one saw that coming. And it also wasn't all of my Genius either. I took off a good chunk of Genius to go to XSPA at the time, and it was good. You know, it was like, it just turned out fortunate. Let's see what we got going on. But yeah, 1K, it's looking like, you look at this, it's going up still. So there's growth here. If we look over on the, oh my goodness, sorry guys, you guys are dealing with, oh, look at this, you guys got double chat going on. I am so sorry, guys. Let me go ahead and get the graph up. Click things. All right. Nah, just waiting, not really scared. Right on, Nikki. No, I'm glad to hear that. Good confidence. I'm loving it. If they pass mandatory body cams for cops, DGLY is going to go up no matter what. It's kind of like, we're here watching this roller coaster of news, yada, yada, yada. But remember, guys, it's about what it's going to be and what they're going to do, what they're going to make and roll out. And those stuff are in the future. It's going to come. And so, yeah, guys, you're always going to have this as you join anything for the first week or so, unless all of a sudden it's, you know, boom, new IPO, something like that. Yo, Jeff, what up, man? How's it going, man? You want to check out Bayek? Let's see. Let's see how they did today, man. The Biocept. I don't know. We checked that out this morning, right? Let's see. Oh, good growth. Look at this. It went from the 71 cents, ended around. Oh, look at that. Beautiful growth. Completely. All right. Let's see. Look at the week again. Oh, my goodness. I love this. So, Biocept. So, let's see what news is Bio coming out with here. News. Still. Oh, yeah. So sorry, guys. Wait, did I not launch this yet? Oh, sorry. Let me get my screen up, ski. Sorry, guys. Yeah, like, I'm all like, hey, yeah, check out. Hey, by the way, anyone else out there play Civilization or Modern Warfare or Tom Clancy? Look at things. I'm just joking. Just trying to fill in the awkward silence is all. Usually my girlfriend's right behind me talking with me and feeding me news from you guys and be like, hey, look at what everyone's talking about, this and that. And so I'm trying my best. Like, let's see here. So yeah, if anything gets missed in chat, guys, I am so terribly sorry. Jessica has been doing a great job doing my job behind my back, moderating the chat, making sure nothing gets missed, but I'm doing my best, guys. Tesla's looking beautiful, going up. Neo doing that. Genius. Oh, hey. Oh, man. Shucks. Well, I have some homework to do, so I don't know if you saw my list this morning, my charts, but oh my goodness, did nothing save? What just uno momento, por favor. Charts, graphs right here. Oh, okay, here we go. Here, look at this. I'm gonna share with you guys a little what I do a little bit. Ah! Inception. All right, so graphs. I'm gonna get my graphs. I'm gonna get my property. Let's see. Thinkorswim must match. There we go. Done. Right there. So if like, as you see, like, let me go to my away little poster here. See my nice graphs over here. Don't mind Shia LaBeouf. He won't hurt you. But yeah, my little screen over here has all my graphs nice and up, beautiful. I can share it with you here. But if you saw it this morning, I had it nice and set up so I could share that big graph with everybody. I had like all the gas up here and the airlines up here, and I had this there and this there, and didn't save. Oh, son of a gun. All right, here, let's see. Squad! What, Avery, what is up with this squad? I'm loving it. It cracks Jessica up every goddamn time. I'm loving it. All right. Wait, did I oversleep here? Nah, what up, man? I woke up feeling much better. And the girlfriend had to go out and do some errands and get things settled out. And so I got bored at home, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just talk to the stock fam, guys. Let's, like I said, like, it also, to a certain degree, talk about it in the chat. I may put up a poll. What do you guys think about an aftermarket chat? Like think about it. Would you guys like a stock talk in the morning? Good morning, everybody. And then a stock talk. Good afternoon, everybody. Holy shoot, that sounds good. That sells itself. Just the good afternoon and the good mornings. Should I have a good evening? No, by the time it's good evening on my end, people are asleep already. But, like, think about it. It just might take off. I think it would be fun. I know I'd enjoy it. It's normally when the kids are up, but I'm pretty sure I could, like, shove them somewhere. Give them some food and water. Yeah, they could survive. Yeah, no, all right. But yeah, no, what do you guys think of the idea? Like, I would like to think it would take off. Heck, it might not even be worthy of a poll. Like, is this chat gonna be enough? Are you guys gonna just win me over? My radio in the morning, stock talk, right on, Ricky. I love to hear that, man. To think I'm a routine out there anywhere is, man. Thank you. All right, seriously, guys. But yeah, no, I wouldn't mind trying to pull this off. So let's see what we got here. COD. Yep. All right, I saw that, Michael. Heck yeah, man. All right, so let's see what we can do here. Yeah, do it. Afternoons are great. Yeah, let's see. Have the kids watch Genius in the background, right? That'd actually be something. Just go watch some Genius. Actually, I'm not even joking. My goodness gracious, how old is he now? Is he 6 or 7? I think he's 6. My 6-year-old. All right, but he like, ever since I showed him, like you've seen in the video, like, if you guys aren't part of the family gathering group, join the family gathering group. Like, I think everyone practically in the chat's part of family right now. But dude, I showed I have that video where I said, hey, what do you think of this? He comes to me and he's asked, hey, can I watch the cartoon channel? Can I watch it? And I'm like, oh yeah, I guess so. Yeah, just don't, come. I'll take you off it like a half hour or whatever it is. But like, yeah, he's asking for it, man. I'm loving this. Let's do a trial run. I'm actually down for a trial run for a certain degree. Stock shows, woo, going through the roof, man. I really hope stock shows are going to take off like this. I didn't even anticipate to take off the way it did. I just wanted to talk it to some people out there, and it happened. We got this family coalesced, and it's doing great. We're going to run through with this. Actually, possibly going to be moving here soon. I say possibly because there's been some, that's actually what Jessica's figuring out right now about where we're moving, kind of a thing. So that's up in the air. So we're hoping that won't ruin things too much right now. It shouldn't be. I can't, it's like I don't sleep anyway already, so why would it change anything? So yeah, all right. Moving on to guys, what can we be? Oh, excuse me. What can we be looking at? Oh yeah, Biosep. I am so sorry, man. Biosep, good swing trade candidate. 10 hours ago, thinking of buying stock in Biosep. I want to know why. Why are they moving? After biotechs to relocate to new digs. That is quite the way to phrase yourself, you professional website. Okay. New digs. Check out my digs, man. All right. Moving Thursday pre-market session. Last quarter. Biosep. Why is it doing good? What is it? Is it over there in the chat? I'm not seeing it. Why is Biotech doing good? Possible buyout merging? Oh. All right, let's see. Oh, Biosep thermal fishing. Oh, right on, Jeff. Thank you for that, man. Thank you. Moving to the East Coast. Nah, man, not yet. I'm moving just like literally like 5 miles down the street. Yeah. Oh, that was terrible. Why am I eating during this? I'm hungry. That's why. Okay. Biosep and Thermo Fisher merger. That's right. Confused by the recent spike, most chalked it up to retail investors throwing analytics out of the window last week instead of relying on hype. It's more than just hype, but there's a merger discussion. And we announced in early August. Oh, it's not even announced yet. Oh, all right. No, beautiful. I'm curious how much it would climb, especially with hype. It's saying it because it's not till August that it's gonna be reported. Wait, announced early in August. Oh yeah, just next month. Okay, good. I was about to say. I was about to say, like, is that far away? I'm like, no, it's actually coming up a little bit to a degree. All right. Merger. If Jessica's out there, she would have given you the answer 10 comments ago. Right? She would have. I know we need her here. Jessica is like, she's that glue that, like, as I started this, I didn't know I needed, but Jessica's like, she would be on my butt right now. She'd be like, just get on it, man. I'll get the answer. I'm on it. Let's go. Let's see. 300. Let's see. Thermo Fisher shares are $300 plus. Ooh, nice. What up, Joe? Greetings. How's it going? All right. Awesome. So let's see. What can we do here, guys? No, that's looking good. I like that. What else you guys looking out there? Chembio. All right, this is Chembio, asked by Bradley right here. It develops, manufactures, markets, and license rapid point of care. By the way, guys, if you're not following the page yet, hit follow. Do it now. Like the page right now. All right, the firm is expanding its product portfolio based upon the proprietary dual path platform, which uses small drop of blood from the fingertip to provide cost-effective diagnostic results in 15 minutes. That's actually awesome. Oh, why did it take a dip? What is this? Holy spamoli, look at that. Oh. Man, you know what? Wait. Well, this is one we looked at this morning, right? We looked at this morning and then we found out that they had it revoked. They had it revoked. I gotta take another bite. Yeah, but like the FCC or something like that just like was like no, and you're like, oh god, wow. So everyone that was there went from $10 to, oh Jesus crud. Yeah, that's why I stay away from vaccines regardless. Awesome that one may take off and all, like a lot of them may. That's a sketchy game, dude. That's sketchy and scary. Oh dang it, I slept through the EA announcement. Do you guys want to watch it with me? Just like a 3-minute video, 2-minute video? Not even. I just want to watch the Star Wars. Oh man. I hope they're doing good here. Let's look at their stock real quick. Like I already missed it, so. Awesome. And then around 1 o'clock, boom. Yeah, no, I can't. Yeah, let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out. All right. Oh man, are you ready to watch this kid's face? Oh man, I'm gonna get so happy. Star Wars, yay! Official gameplay trailer. All right, you ready for this hype? All right, I'm gonna put it full screen. Uno momento, everybody. Let's do this. Let's enjoy this. Sorry, yeah, I know this is Stock Talk, but we're about to get silly in here. Okay, let me just hide the graphs. Let me hide. We're gonna should I hide the chat or minimize the chat? You know what? I'll do just this. I'll hide the chat for this. I'll hide the chat for this. Don't let me forget to put it back up, everybody. All right, that's gone. I'm gonna put my chat over. Look, it disappeared. All right, this is gonna be fun. Oh, guys, I'm excited. All right, the chat's still up, guys. I'm suggesting looking for the interviews to. Oh yeah, man. Did you even get your pizza yet? I did. A little, you know what I mean? One more bite. All right, here we go. What I hear too is it's VR supported. I'm a VR player. All right. It's 5 minutes long. All right, bear with me, guys. Like I said, it's not a normal Stock Talk episode already, so please bear with. Just don't unfollow me over this. All right. New Apex Legends trailer out? I haven't seen it yet. All right, maybe I should have a side channel just for this stuff. I don't know. All right, let's do this. Let me turn the music down. Oh, man, I used to play this as a kid. All right. We'll screen that son of a gun. Let's do it. By the way, how's that volume out there for everybody? Just bear in mind, it's going to play fully volume on my end. So watch your volume. Ready? Everybody got your fingers on volume? Give me a moment. Yeah? All right, here we go.
The second Death Star is gone, but the Imperial fleet is still a threat. Vanguard Squadron, let's make history.
This is it, Titan Squadron. Everything we've done has led to this. Finish those Vanguard scum!
This is Star Wars Squadrons. Earn your wings in a single-player story spanning 2 factions.
All stations!
Oh, nice campaign.
Fire on that ship!
Like you like
Master multiplayer battles as a squadron of 5. With the option to play the entire game in VR. This is the definitive Star Wars pilot experience.
Come on!
Oh, dude. You guys ready for this? When this comes out, I'll be streaming some of this on the side.
You'll begin your career in a single-player story.
Welcome to Titan Squadron.
Where you'll play as 2 combat pilots, flying for both the Empire and the New Republic.
Oh, nice.
You'll experience this world through your cockpit. The instrumentation in front of you provides critical feedback about power management, targeting, and
Like
shields.
it's actually the legit.
With a squadron of diverse characters at your side, prove your skills on increasingly challenging missions.
Dude, that was a dope maneuver. What?
Hello, Vanguard. Welcome to the Nadiri dockyards.
One of my spies has linked the attacks with the New Republic Starhawk project.
The story of the 2 pilots you play
Stick together.
will shape the balance of power in the galaxy.
Get ready!
Let him have it.
I'm excited. You excited? I'm excited.
To take the fight online, you'll need flight time with all 8 ships. Fighters are the most flexible and versatile, able to handle any situation. Interceptors are fast and highly maneuverable,
Let's get him.
ideal for hunting down your opponent's starfighters.
That was kind of fun!
Support ships can keep allies safe and stocked up, as well as disrupting enemy fighters.
Light him up! Nice.
Bombers are the heavy hitters, able to deal devastating damage to enemy flagships and starfighters.
But if you've got a preferred component, I will need something customized. I'll take care of it.
Unlock everything
sorry.
you
Oh,
need
shoot,
to
it's really
customize
loud.
your pilot and starfighters simply by playing the
There we go. How about that right there? Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to throw you through that.
components that alter
But I'm excited. That's like if you couldn't hear me, it's me just being giddy. It's giddy me. Giddy old me.
You can dramatically change your loadout depending on your squadron's strategy. Finally got him. This will be critical in Star Wars Squadron's multiplayer modes. First up, dogfights. This is an all-out 5v5 battle. Fine-tune your loadouts to work as a team.
Moving in on the enemy.
Utilize components.
Dude, I'm all about flying up in planes and things like that. So this is gonna be fun.
Down your opponents.
Ooh-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Your squad mates for the kill.
Yeah, well, exactly.
For teams looking for an even greater
Man,
challenge.
I'll go ahead and kind of zoom through here. Let's see.
Don't worry, I got him for you.
That looks so promising to me. Oh, all that's VR. It's a VR. Oh man, goodness gracious! I'm all about the Star and the Wars and all that, and the bings and the pooms and the bing bing pop pop. No, I'm joking. All right, all right. No, I'm not really joking. I love Star Wars. All right, so let me bring that volume back up. So yeah, go ahead and adjust your volumes back up to my voice. I'm gonna go and play that music in the background, nice and sweet for your ear right there. Up to right around. Yeah, Nice and sweet, right? Nice and sweet. We back there. All right, let me go ahead and put our chat box back up and get everything nice and ready. That was awesome, guys. Like I missed it. I was hoping to watch it live. I missed it, but doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and get everything nice back up, set up. Dude, we got that. We got our graphs. Look at that. You guys like our new setup? You like this? I hope so, because this is it's doable. Definitely doable. If you like it, let me know, guys. Let me know. This is all about your experience, not just mine, guys. I broke even from 1,800 profit today on Genius. Oh, you got your profit? Oh man. I'm sorry to hear that, bud. Like, yeah, it was mainly on the Monday launch. No worries there, bud. Let's see. And settled with a 900 profit, still have 500 shares. Yeah, profit's profit. Remember, that's what you got to remember, guys. Profit's profit. Woulda, coulda, shoulda is something you got to always remember, no matter what happens. Don't worry, don't stress. Just like easy, smooth sailing, guys. All right. So, what would you guys like to look up? What are we saying? Dude, right? I want some SpaceX stock. I can't wait for that to go public. I don't know if they'll ever go public, but it's just, oh my goodness. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's see. Oh, by the way, if everyone could just do me a quick favor, one thing I've noticed a little bit around the group is snarkiness, especially if it's very sarcastic, and if you deliver it with sarcasm, snarkiness. One of those things that we're going to be looking out for. Just a heads up when it comes to especially the stock family group. Don't care for it here. All right, just a heads up, because I've seen more than a few. Don't think like literally. I have a list of names on the side that I keep an eye out for, just for second offenses and third offenses and such things. Just a heads up on that, guys. So make sure when you're on the group, help moderate it with us. We're not the only moderators. You're also moderators, just to keep that in mind. All right, let's see. Roku. Yeah, how's Roku been doing? Let's see. Roku. I'm spelling Foku. Okay. Roku. Alrighty, Roku. Look at that. That's nice. That was a good steady increase right there. Let's see. You know what? I think Roku's actually starting to find its niche more than ever. Like, it was kind of like it seemed like the crap thing, but look at this. Actually taking off pretty well. Boom. Especially with this time. Boom, 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 boom. I think Roku, Chromecast, and all that thing. I think it's like, as much as you want to think Chromecast kind of just like dominated the market, I think it's got to share it next to Roku and what is that? The Fire Stick. They just got to share it next to it. But yeah, Roku's definitely got a name in the game here when it comes to streaming. I like it. Let's see. Wow, I sold my Roku shares for 118. No, Jeff, don't worry about it. Woulda, coulda, shoulda, buddy. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Hey, we all own something at one point, right? That just launched up, and just like, goodness gracious, like, you can't kick yourself in the butt. You're like, oh man, if only I knew that 2 weeks ago. You're like, of course, if you knew it 2 weeks ago or whenever, like, don't stress. Don't stress. All right. Let's see. ENBL. Oh, what up, Jeremy? How's it going, buddy? ENBL. What do we got? Enable midstream. By the way, guys, if you haven't followed the page yet, hit that follow. Do it. Peer pressure. Peer pressure. All right. Anything new with Kroger? Oh my goodness, dude. I got it because it was like, you know, they had great, like, I get the sell-off and all that stuff when you have good numbers and everything, but I thought the sell-off already took place because everyone's just like, hey, Kroger, good bet. And I'm like, yeah, you know what? I was just watching that. Good bet. But let's go ahead and talk about this enabled midstream real quick. Let's see. Enabled Midstream Partnership LP owns, operates, and develops natural gas and crude oil infrastructure assets. It operates through the following segments: gathering and processing and transportation of storage. All right, cool. It's a big hold rating currently. If you're in it, that's awesome. Let's see. It was good on the rise, definitely dropping down to find its little hold of wherever it's at. Just hasn't yet, though. Hasn't found its bottom yet. Had a good jump up. Trying to come back with the hype. About to settle. And then from there, yeah, no, it's looking like it's good. What has it been doing for itself that's making it good, though? ENB. All right, let's see what we got. News. Here's what happened. Oh, look at this. It looked like it pooped. Like, right at the end there. All right. Let's see why midstream partnership shares are shooting higher than recent ever. That was 2 days ago. What is the recent news? 1 hour. Nothing. 24 hour. Why buying enable stock might make sense. RBC Capital. That's not what we're talking about. All right, let's see what they got. While buying might make sense. Let's see. Enable a bit of trading at 5. Last check on Wednesday, June 17th, down. Looking at the stock, we see that its previous close was 586, and the beta 5-month reads 257. With the day's price range between 576 and 613, the company has a 12-month trailing. Yada yada. Yeah, all right. But anyone on chat know why it's doing good though? Like, I'm trying to find out here. Did you sell all of your Genius shares? No, I didn't sell all my Genius shares. I got a few held. I just don't. I like Genius is not something to have leading your portfolio any longer. Is what it is. Let's see. On the other hand, looking at the outlook for ENBL stock, short-term indicators assign the stock on average as a hold. Well, we note that okay, I don't care if they're just averaging numbers out between here and then. I would like to know why they're launching up here and now. I'm not seeing it myself. Spotify took off as well. Spotify is going to continue raising off. Like they have, like I just thought they were already at the pinnacle, but I guess they just haven't caught on hard enough. But yeah, they're getting all these exclusive. So yeah, Spotify's gonna have its mark in the exclusive mark now. I just got to jump on top of it next time we have some profits. But yeah, no, that's been a beautiful one to watch. I'm loving watching Spotify go. BA, please. Let's see here. But also anything new with Kroger? We're gonna look up the Kroger. All right, 1 second, and we'll look up that Boeing. Give it a moment here. Kroger. For Chris, transcript call. Their transcript call said it was doing great, and so Kroger's actually not bad right now. They're gonna just take this dip. Because it was a good sell-off. They had great numbers. That's all it is. And they're like, oh, dude, it's still going to come right back up. So they sold off, jumped back on it, but it sucked because it looked like this. And I was like up here. And I'm like, dang it, now I got to wait a little longer. It's like that growth is coming. It's there. It's just, gosh, you're making me wait for it now. Especially if the second wave comes, like to a certain degree, and stores are be like, people are going to like, oh, we got to load our fridges and freezers again. Because it's gonna happen to a certain degree, like, albeit it may not be a stay-at-home order or anything like that, but people are gonna be like, you know what, we should make our choices ourselves and know to go out less, and that's kind of what you should do. So I'm expecting a spike here in a moment, not in a moment, but hold. Like literally, when I reorganized my portfolio, it was reorganized for hold. Good green. Let's see, anything today's return? Anything? Yeah. I made good choices here and there. 40, 50, 30, 20. It beats going into work, I guess. Oh, negative 100 on that RPX. RPX, you pooped on me. All right, well, I guess it was just a kind of a flattened out day, I guess. But, better than going to work right now. Oh, it's not that bad of a little dip. It's just a sell-off dip. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. I wonder, let's see what happens overnight. Like $50 for Royalty Pharma right here and now. It might just be an actual grab, and that's how it might be looked like tonight. I can't wait to see how it runs. I can't wait to see how things, like, honest to goodness, like, it's crazy. Like, it doesn't matter if it goes up or it goes down. I can't wait to see it. Like I said, guys, like when it comes to me, guys, don't do your investments like I do it. Like I said, guys, I don't mind seeing it lose. It's very weird. I have a weird mentality on this because, like, I have the whole concept of, I'm going to either lose 500 or I gain 1,500, So I'm like, I play in a certain way. My whole show is about the stock talks and us just talking the stocks, how I look it up and things like that. How I make my investments, not part of the show. Well, I guess it's part of the show. You could probably find it pretty entertaining of like, man, look, what the hell is this guy doing, right? That's as far as that one's gonna go, guys. My investments aren't to be looked at as mirroring him. Do this, do that. Like we started the game with 7,000. So to me, already at 14 and this and up, like, dude, I've already been to 24, 25 and back down. But to me, like, this is about the chat. I love the chat, and I know how anybody else would look at money and saying like, dude, but that's $10,000 right there. Like, you should just take it out, do this and that. I started with $7,000, guys. I'm investing into things that I know aren't going to go bankrupt, and that's kind of my game. And so, if I lose $2,000-3,000, it's nothing. Like, well, I'm not losing. You don't lose until you sell. But when you see a dip like that, I don't mind seeing it like that, guys. I look forward to the next market event to see what's happening in the day and all that stuff. I don't mind. To me, I'm at $7,000. Everything else is play money. And even if it dipped, we can bring it back up. And like I said, it doesn't mean I'm going to be stupid with it. I'm not trying my best to be stupid. I'm going to do my best, do what I can with my technique that I'm doing. But I'm keeping it. But yeah, guys, just want to give you that heads up, guys. I'm half the entertainment is possibly just how I do my thing. But don't do it like me. Like, if you want to, hear my advice in the sense, and like, don't just say like, hey, what do you think about this? And I say, yes, it's great. Do not, like, even if you ask somebody else and they're filthy, like, even if they were filthy rich, I wouldn't even care. Like, my standard is don't take anyone's advice if they're just saying, yes, that is great, do it. And especially if 10 people said, yes, it's great, do it. Have one of them say why it's doing good, okay? Have them share with you why they think it's going to go in that direction. And then have that in there for yourself. Think about it, but don't even just stop there. Keep looking about news, guys. Look at this. Like, when you are investing, like, you own part of the company. Like, why would you not, like I get the grabs, and a lot of people think this show is about the grabs and everything like that. And yeah, you see me grabbing a lot, but it's because I'm seeing dips from holds is what it is. And yes, I haven't held, like, there are a few days where you might see me release a hold and grab it later and things like that. This is how I'm working. I'm watching my graphs, what I'm thinking they're interpreting, and it's working out great for me. I'm enjoying the hell out of this. So, like, to me, it's like, as long as I don't like lose 1,000 a week, that's kind of what it is, and we're on the increase is what it is. And so yeah, that's just how it is. Like, the perspective it is on my end. Let's see here. ARKQ. I'm staring at it now, and I love artificial intelligence. Oh, dude, artificial intelligence is bomb. What are you looking at? Arc Automotive's technology and robotics. What is this AI stuff? Oh yeah, dude, this sounds like a future stock for sure. Oh, it's even on a dip. Look at this. Oh, it's even on an up dip. Arc. This don't matter no more. I'm gonna have to reorganize my whole darn graph. Ugh. Why aren't you loading my graph? Whatever. All right, no, let's look at it right over here. Up. Look at this. Could even easily come back to 47 to 46. Yeah, dude, this sounds like the stock of the future. Actually, 2020, 2025. Actually, like, dude, this is gonna be one of those things that you hold. That looked good. Let's see. Arc is what the name of that one was. Arc. Arc stock. Arc news, no Arc investing why we sold Tesla despite our long-term bull case. Changed its view on Tesla. As a result, they say Tesla shares should trade to nearly $7,000 by 2024, as shown below. Wait. Let's see. A few months ago, Arc Invest published its latest model on electric vehicle maker Tesla. As a result, they say that Tesla shares could trade to nearly 7,000 by debit, as shown below. This week, a new figure that suggests told you something completely different. All right, what? Yeah, Arc argues that the bear case is now substantially more valuable. Oh, because if you write it as a bull, like, I hate that stuff. Let's see. Rewind a bit to Arc. Nah, dude. As long as Tesla keeps, like, what is it? Like, having something to sell, people are, like Jim Cramer says it, people are gonna buy it. And then as long as they meet their deadlines is another thing. I just hope they don't push it hard enough where they're gonna like mess it up. Because we've seen Tesla, when they put on the gas, like, they'll make themselves get to whatever they got to get to just to get there, like the sledgehammer on the Cybertruck. Like it's almost, or not sledgehammer, it was like the ball bearing, and like it's almost to the point where it's like they can almost release the truck and be like, you know what, we didn't fix that issue, but hey, it doesn't shatter, like. But I hope they fix it. It would suck to think that they have this truck that's ready for release, but they just can't release it because of they don't have that bulletproof glass practically that they sold it as. And so, but Tesla's got a ways to move. I can't wait to see like exactly. Oh shoot, I should bring my chat right back to my face. Where'd my chat go? Oh, here it is. Click. All right, bring it right on over again. Dude, evening Steve, what's up, bud? Let's see here. So why did you sell your Genius? What was your decision making there? Josh, I sold it. Oh, well, besides it, let's see. Sorry if you went over this already. I took a break from Facebook for a few days. No problem, Josh. Oh, hey, honey. I'm streaming. Heads up. Let's see here. Genius. It's like I said, even prior to Genius launching is what it was. Like we've been watching Genius for like a month and a half prior to it even launching, so it was low. So a lot of people did get our profits on it. I got a lot of profit on Genius, and it was all the anticipation for the opening week, for that Monday to sell it off, get profits or whatever it would be, and then to wait for it to settle to get back on to the game of what it can grow into. And so we did just that. We waited on the Monday for the launch. The spike did come. It wasn't as high as we all hoped because like I feel like it was plagued with that pump and dump and the red weekend that really like brought it down to like I was hoping for 7, but it was topped at 5. I took the 5, and then I waited for it to come back down. I purchased when I thought it came back down, and then just kind of ever since then it's been doing that thing. So what I've been advising, unless you're holding it for the long hold, for the year hold. Like, I mean, like long hold already. Like, you already purchased that enough and you're like, you know, averaging it down and whatnot. I get people are holding on to because they already have the mentality. I'm like, you know what, these dips don't matter. I have it for then. And that's the mentality that I encourage. Because, like, guys, when you're in the stock market, of course, things are going to go up and down, up and down. You're looking at over here in the years run. And it's always a shame to think, yeah, you didn't get the bottom. That just sucks to think. So if you're thinking about averaging down, I say wait a week and wait for it to settle. Like every time, like, yeah, they always have good news, great news released, but remember, it's no longer the kind of news that's going to spike it up. Like we saw who was going to direct the Stan Lee thing for the 2021. Great news, but it's still news for 2021 for that spike. All right, the closest spike we have right now is in August for the toy launches, and the toy launch might even do better than we anticipate. Like, this could be insane. Like, apparently, like I'm not aware about it. I don't have the kids watching Llama Llama or such of the other shows that are on there, but there is a following on this, guys. It's already there. They do great with toys. Jessica is back. Yes, she is. Let's see. That's exactly what I've been doing. No, exactly, Josh. Good. Exactly. That's kind of like the mindset we've had, and I've never anticipated Genius to stay, especially never anticipated Genius to stay a portfolio driving stock. For a moment there, I was having XBOB being my portfolio driving stock, which it was good. It was being extremely volatile. I hate to say, like I said, it did that whole shoot up today, but when it came today, there was a whole lot of talk about things being a little indifferent about certain things. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get my stock in things that are, not to say XBOB would do bad, as if a second, you know, because like second wave scare is the only other thing that's gonna shake things up, and I feel like XBOB is gonna shine right through it because that's something that's practically made for it. But when it comes to well, darn it, with Genius, it is a pocket stock now to me. It is something to keep in your pocket, or if at least on the watch list. It's something to make money, definitely, but we got to wait for that bottom to be found, at least in my opinion. It's a beautiful stock, and I don't know if it's going to continue dropping. We just keep watching the graphs about when it can grab. Like Genius, it sold down to what is it? It was at 280. It dropped down to 250, back to 280. Like, it's got to find where its bottom is. Like, to me, that's also beautiful. Like, let's see if 250 is like the bottom is what it is, and then it starts raising from there. It might not even drop back down, but every day is new talk just like this, and people are saying, should I dump in the morning? And that's the kind of thing that is getting things like this happening. So like I'm saying, if you're in it to hold it and you know you're holding it for the years to come and all that stuff, great. Continue holding it. Wait for that settle in the week to come. You like, it might even just dip low enough where you're like, hey, this is actually a great opportunity for me to average down a little lower and everything like that. Because like you said, you're holding it for the year. You know where it's going to be at in the year. It's a great company. Like, in the sense of the direction it has, to me, I believe it can do something, and we're all going to be surprised in a year from now. But it's also like, who knows, guys? It's the stock market. But as far as, like, you know, it's not a store. It's not something that's going to lose customers and everything like that. But it's like anything. It's like, I hate to say it like that, but it's crack candy to children. It's literally those colors, those like, every time you start a new video on that intro is going to sell that thing. It's insane. Let's see here. Let's see. I'm riding the wave on GNC there. Let's see what you got on GNC. Oh, Gush, please. Oh, you know, let me look at Gush real quick here, and then I'll go on to what is it? NV right there for I'm sorry, I have to get this name down. Raliatu? All right, well, we're gonna read amends with Gush. I'm just gonna say right now with Gush, like I said, guys, as much as it can go up in the future, definitely if you're anticipating to hold, great stock. If you can't take watching it go up and down, especially there are certain points like this, boom, it'll drop. But it stayed just like that. It went up, it dropped like this. It's looking promising now. But like it's always looking promising, especially if you look at the 3-month. It's especially with this little ticker right here. Like I wonder if that's a promising node that it's going to meet it. But like I said, guys, when it comes to this, I can't personally get into it just because it's crazy. But I think this is going to be great. Oh, by the way, I'm so sorry. I looked over Boeing. Let me look over Boeing real fast. So sorry, guys. Like I said, usually I have Jessica right on my side trying to keep me on track with the list and things like that, and it works out awesomely. And sometimes it gets too chaotic. It's very true. Like some in the mornings, these chats get very active. Let's see, Boeing just starts to sound like a safe bet now. It's just like, you know, as the recovery comes, no matter what happens, they're ramping up, making planes. It's starting to sound like a safe bet. It kind of is. And so, yeah, as far as the hold goes, like, look at this. Goodness gracious. Yeah. Like, maybe even I should, you know, I'm going to put that on my dream list. Hey, honey, you have a pen near you? So when it comes to airlines, Boeing and Jet is my thought. Let me see how Jets is doing real quick. It's probably going to come to a real close here soon, but I'm going to knock out these few ones that I'm seeing. I want to add something to my dream list is what I want to do. This is my watch list. I want to add Boeing to it. BA. See, Jessica's to the rescue. Ah, that was you, baby. I love it. Let's see. All right, then we were looking up. We talked about Gush. INVVY. Endeavor. Oh yeah, this is what I heard. It's one of the working on treatments. Had a spike when they were told they were gonna get that. One I've been told about. What is it like Kramer's also been saying when it comes to vaccines and things like that. If you want to place a bet, he's going Moderna and AstraZeneca. I gotta look into it myself, but like I said already, guys, when it comes to this vaccine game and the oil game, I'm a little iffy on such things. Oh, yeah, feels great. As far as growth looks, it's something to definitely watch. It's like, especially with that peak right here, drop. It can go either way. I don't think even they know which way it wants to go, because look how it went up and then it went down. So it can go either way, but I think at the moment it's looking like a downtrend so far, but let's keep an eye on that one. I'm riding on the GNC. I'm curious, what's the GNC doing these days, guys? Click, 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 click. All right, GNC, moving on over. Okay, I see. Look at that. Look at that. Good health coming back up, and it's got something great to go back up too. Oh, goodness gracious. GNC, actually. You know what, dude? I'm gonna put that on the watch list as well, man. Good heads up on that one. GNC, everybody. OG what? OPS. All right, I'll look at that one in a moment here, guys. I really see. Okay, we looked at Envy. We looked at GNC. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, man, Josh, no problem at all, man. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, I believe BA is a good price to buy. Now, BA does look great. I appreciate it, man. Of course, man. See, according to the screeners, I see everything I've done overnight. How are people doing this overnight? Things are like $2 to $3. That skyrocketed to 12 to 15 bucks. So John, what happens is there are certain brokers that let you actually trade early in the mornings and whatnot. I haven't had too much luck on it. I've heard Ameritrade starts at 1 a.m. But it didn't work for us. People out there, if you have Ameritrade, what are your trading hours? People who have what is it? Webull, what are your trading hours? But yeah, man, trading hours are varied by broker. It's pretty insane. It's like I almost feel like there's like a special broker or something that like is exclusive, so you could trade at night. In a weird way, like yeah, like it's crazy to think that, you know, why don't we all just have the one that lets you trade at all times of the day? But also, I believe certain brokers like that may have certain charges per trade for certain times of days, maybe. Things to consider and things for us to look into. Okay, guys? Let's see. 41 shares at 100. Hell yeah, Michael. Dude, keep it going, man. That's on the train to keep going. So, yeah, that's awesome. Let's see. Appreciate it, of course, man. Yep. About that. DPST. Alrighty, looking over here. By the way, guys, if you haven't followed yet, just go ahead and hit that follow, hit the like on the page. Join the group if you haven't joined the family gathering group yet. If you don't know how to get to any of this stuff, ask anyone for help. Anyone will help you. By the way, we also have a Discord group. Let me go ahead and just throw that Discord down in the boom, 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 boom. Click, click, and click. Copy. Black-owned companies because of the Juneteenth. Oh, that's right. 618, 619. Oh my goodness, I didn't think about that with Juneteenth. Black companies. So you know what? That 1K and all that might even go up further overnight. Shucks. Is there anyone able to buy it this time still? Because that that K1 or 1K, that might even go up again tomorrow. Think about it. Because like what? It was all the whole spike was mainly saying like appreciation to black-owned businesses is what it was, but Juneteenth is what, you know, it's kind of like it was the day slavery was like abolished and things like that. But I'm guessing people are thinking of going into such businesses. Nice and heavy. That sounds good. 5 a.m. I'm able to on Ameritrade, but it could be earlier. That's just when I'm up. All right, that's good. You know what? Set an alarm, Kim, for 1 a.m. in the morning. Let us know. No, joking. You don't have to. But thank you. Thank you for the answer. DPST. Yeah, so we're looking at Dell Regional Banks pool share. Definitely had a spike and dropped. What is this? Like here, maybe after it settles a little bit, actually. With how it looks, up. Squiggle. Look at those squiggles. Look how squiggly they are. Come on, man. Up, drop, up overnight, sell off. You know what? That's actually healthy sell-offs. It goes up, sell off, going, and it went down and down like it got scared. Up, sell off. I'd say wait another weekend or so to get on it myself. But like I said, guys, I'm not here to tell you what to do. I just don't know where it settled yet. Let's see here. Boop, boop, boop. All right. Let's see what we got. DPS, just Taylor, bought it back. Did I look over anything? 1 second. Let me double check here. I think I may have AT&M. AT&M. You ain't got no ATM. I don't know. All right. About pharmaceuticals. Let's see. Did a dip. Came back to exactly what it was. So that's probably exactly a good base for it. Now, knowing if it continues to go up, that's another thing, because look at this consistency for 2 days of it going like, let's see here. Where do we go? AT. News. Outperforming other medical stocks here. Out and pharmaceutical stand out in the strong interest. That was 1 day ago. Okay, pulling its 20% after pricing. Equity offering. Oh, okay. All right. So public offering of so many shares at 30. See, this is insane. Look at this at what they're doing. And then look at that other one. All right. So many shares cut at such a price. When Expo had it, it was for 40 million dollars being bought worth. And they were at 525 or 524 or something like that. Like, what? Like, that's insane. Or, yeah, like, dude, like, just to hear that price and at a 20-month lock, that's just one of the reasons I believe in Xbox so much true. Let's see. Okay, looked at that. Just how would you know it hit the moon? Carve. Let's see. I don't know. Where is it at right now? I feel like I jumped on that. Like, someone was like, hey, check this out. And I'm like, yeah, let's see how it does. Carve. Yeah, right here. What is this? Actually, it was looking pretty sexy. Went up to 9 to 12. Winds to the moon. With how it's actually going up right now, it's going to meet this. But how it jumped up suddenly for that in a day, I might just take the profits myself. Profit's profit. And, like, to just be like a steady... Like, that's just scary. Like, what? Nothing like it. Like, yeah, I would take that profit myself. Let's see what we got. IDEX. Oh yeah, how's IDEX been looking, guys? How low do you think CLL will get to you? Let me see. CLL. Oh, it's something over here, right here. Oh wow, holy spamoli. CLL is doing amazing right now. And if they dipped and messed up again, they'd be right back to 1880. Yeah, if they have any kind of dip, back to 1880. But that is an amazing up. Tesla has an amazing up. Let's see. BYFC. I gotta remember to do Opus as well real quick. I've going straight down the list. I'm touching everybody. Oh, I gotta touch IDEX. Don't even forget about IDEX. I was just about to go that way. Then we were looking at Carnival Cruise Lines. That's looking good. How low do I think it'll get to? I don't know, dude. It's on the rise right now, but I think it can get low as 18 easy. Just see Sorrento. You're gonna find your way back up to the 5, but it's still not gonna do it. I see. Ooh, look at what is this right here? BYFC, Broadway Financial did a good little help. Look at that jump. Wow. Don't know where it's gonna continue to go. Rise. Actually, it may slow down right around here because of this. They're gonna find out where it's at. Let's look it up. BYFC. Dude. Stock news. Broadway Financial touches new 52-week high. Yep, saw that. Can Broadway Financial stock rise to the top? It kind of did. See, buy or sell financial stock now. I think it was very fortunate that it happened, but I don't know if it's going to stay or it's just going to sell right off in the morning. It's going to be cool to watch it in the morning, though. Definitely see what it does. And if it continues going higher, that's on you if you have any day trades or whatever you want to do. Did I cover BYFC? Yeah, I did that right now. All right, I probably read that late, I'm sure. Let's see, Aftermarket Live. Yeah, I know, Garrett, right? This is a little new right here. By the way, guys, like as this kind of stays steady, I already asked, how's this kind of feel for everybody? So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Aftermarket Live. If it's enjoyable enough, I may try to make time for it. Usually we have kids running around the house and home, so usually I can't pull things like this off. Like one day I hope to have a office room kind of a thing like that, and then we can just pull things like this off like all week round. Just curious, how many percent is the tax of profit at the end of the year? Don't know yet. Let's see. How much tax will... Yeah. Let's see. Do you think it's worth getting CM for the $1.50 per share dividend on Monday? Oh, you guys got there's a dividend coming out. Let's see. Is that the X date you're saying is what that is? CM? Cheetah Mobile. Oh my goodness. What is this Cheetah Mobile? Call Cheetah Mobile, engage in the provision and internet and mobile security software. The company operates in 3 segments. Okay. Unity products and related services, mobile entertainment. All right. This rise may be just for that. About 36% is kind of where it may have been turned out at. I think it may be 36% tax year. Hello. All right. No, when it comes to this Cheetah Mobile, that is a nice. What is it? Last time I saw a dividend though, it's like literally you got to be out there on the X date and sell it because people are going to be there also just for this dividend date, and it's kind of like great if you already had it and you make profit, then sell it. To me, it's not worth buying to sell just for a dividend. To me, that's just a little risky. I wouldn't like on myself. What up, Chris? How's it going, bud? Glad to see you here for this little afternoon talk. Love it for the aftermarkets. Yeah, you like that? All right, man. Nice. Serious. Like, I hope it actually happens. What's going on with the late show? I wasn't feeling too good earlier in the day. I, went to bed. Actually stopped the show a little early. Went to bed, not feeling too good. Woke up feeling great. Just had to go run some errands, and I'm like, you know what? I'm bored over here. So let's go ahead and just see who's over there to chat, who wants to chat. And was also kind of like debating a little earlier. I'm like, you know what? If we could turn this into a thing, like genuinely, guys, if you guys want this to be a show, we are trying to find ways to keep this show up, and I would love to make this a Monday through Friday end game, mornings and afternoons. Wouldn't that be awesome? Like if we can continue doing this, I wouldn't mind, but I just have to find a way to help me keep doing it. Like how do you make TV shows, guys? Like I said, we need them investors, right? Okay. By the way, guys, if you want to throw it down in there, we are playing around with the idea of having 10 investors kind of a thing and seeing what we can work out. If you guys are interested in becoming said investors of said show, it's nothing. It's more of like, think of it like if you're gonna it's free as it is. If you want this to keep going for the next year or so, or you see the potential of what this can be, I would like to think of it as a subscription almost, like, you know, if people can be out there kind of tipping in every month or so, like, you know, just throw a little something in. Like, I hate to sound like I'm begging like that, but like, I would love for this to be a thing for us all to just keep having. And like, I'm just doing my best, not my best to not go back to work. I really like this, and like, this is fun, this is like enjoyable, like, this is like, you know how they say work should be something you enjoy and fun. I'm like, guys, if I could pull this off somehow as a show, this would be, it's my dream, guys. It's my dream. I would love to have it happen. And so like, yeah, guys, set up a Patreon. You know what, I never stopped and thought about that. So Patreon support, yeah, that's just saying, like, like, what is that? It's better than sounding like, you know, Cash App donations, right? Setting up a Patreon for support, like, literally, guys, it's what helps me stay up, and it hasn't gotten anywhere to a point, like, it's tips have been greatly appreciated, and donations and all that stuff, but it's been nothing to the point where I can, of course, sustain to any degree. And I would love, like I said, I want to make this a show. I would love this to be my job, guys. I would love to keep bringing this content, fun stuff. But yeah, that's pipe dream stuff. Who knows? Pipe dream. Okay. OPES, that's right, we were trying to talk about that. OPES. Well, alrighty, we got that. Don't worry, Ramsey, I got you. We're looking at Opus acquisitions, but Blake Chunk Company. Oh yeah, that's right. I think we looked at this guy here. Oh, extremely great growth. Nice, good sell-off, slow, great growth, high. Like, no, this one's gonna go well. Let's look at the month now. No, holy smoke. As far as what this is and how it's been, that was some amazing growth and then some. Oh, so what is going on with OPS? Why is it going up the way it is? OPS. Opus stock. All right. Let's see. But yeah, man, I got to get on top of that Patreon. Monthly donations, $1 or higher a month. Let's see. It's kind of like that to a degree. Like, I've been thinking, I'm like, you know, like $5 a month. Like, how much would a subscription be normally for a TV show? That, like, it's more just for the broadcast. Like, I would not like lock anyone away from past broadcasts, but like, you know, a live show every day, like, you know, a good little subscription would be nice. Yeah, I saw this one here. Hey Don, that'd actually be pretty cool, man. If you're interested in investing, go ahead and like, seriously, dude, that would be awesome. It would keep us running. It would help us do this daily. None of the money that gets invested goes back into stocks. It's none of that. We don't play with that. It is legit helping us pay the bills. Like, specifically, we're trying to do our best to keep any kind of donations and investments tailor related to keeping the business is what it is. And so nothing is being literally, don't think of anything being, it's not coffee money, it's none of that stuff. It would like legit be like appreciated to help us start paying things that help keep us here to bring this consistently. So like donations like that, investments, they're all going to be appreciated, and I will go into further talking about that with anyone that's curious about hearing about it, guys. So just by the way, anyone that is talking about being interested, we were taking down your names on the side. We'll be contacting people, like, you know, in a week or so here when we have an idea of what can be offered out. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for anything that can be given. It's seriously appreciated. $20 a month Patreon. Invest into a community portfolio. Invest into a community portfolio. What is this? So you pay $20 a month. Everybody gets a percentage from. Oh wow! So you truly invest, and that's what Patreon does. Oh, I see.
You can be in this group pull together.
Oh.
And it can be more community. I don't know.
So, I see what you're saying. So everyone that does invest is in this community, and we all have a say and talk, and like we can all talk through that. Yes. So a Patreon group. So anyone that are investors are in one spot, then we can talk to them as investors, is what it is. Holy spamoly. Patreon sounds like the future. Alrighty. You know what? That sounds great, Jeff. Seriously, thank you for that heads up on that. That might be the route we need to take. Raymond, StockTalk2020, thank you for the shout out right there, buddy. Seriously, yeah, we're doing a little afternoon talk here. It ain't the normal. Set up a GoFundMe, Stock Talk. Yeah, dude, you know what? I would like to, but it's more of I need some consistency. It's not more of just like I need a grab just to help me stay here. I want to see if we could find a way to make this, like, you know, every month have some kind of income to a degree where, like I said, we want to keep this consistent. Every time when we stop streaming, guys, if we don't just go sit down on our hands, like seriously, this consumes us. The group, we do our best to keep it up to date and everything. Us doing our research, and like, I don't research just for myself anymore. I literally feel like I have to do more research as of late for everybody else as well, just to like, so I can know what everyone's talking about. So yeah, guys, like I'm kind of enveloping myself around this, and so like I said, yeah, anything's appreciated. My first time, you like this, Kenya, what welcome, dude. If you hit follow to and like the page, you are now part of the Stock family. So if anyone could, you know, welcome him to the Stock family, this is gonna be your new morning routine. I do this Monday through Friday, 5:30 in the morning to 7 o'clock Pacific time. This is an afternoon, or goodness, practically an evening episode, and we are thinking about starting to do such episodes in the afternoon or evening, you know, which this is. We're gonna start. You know what? I'm gonna do it actually, guys. We are gonna put up a poll about what time in the afternoon or after market would be great for another said Stock Talk, so we can have our good mornings and we could have our good afternoons, and we will start to narrow this down. Like I said, guys, normally I have kids up running amok around this time, and maybe I guess I can lock them away for 1 hour or so in the other room, but this can turn into something, guys, especially like I said, if I can invest into like an eventual office space, something where I can go like, you know what, I gotta go to work, I just like close the door, and then it's, you know, kids are elsewhere, and like it can just be done. Like office space is what I'm looking forward to. Like right now I operate in the living room, so I can only operate on so many hours. It's really restricted. But yeah, it's from here we really hoping to go up. No, it looks promising. Thank you so much, because Sam, I really hope this takes off as well. We are constantly finding new family members every day. All of you guys, thank you so much for everyone making this what it is. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Hey, y'all, glad I can utilize my ideas. I did part to help expand the channel. Yeah, dude, Jeff, you've been not just doing your part in the channel and everything. Everyone's been doing your part in the group. I see everybody active. Like, don't think like, seriously, guys, I see your names going up in the chat, and I recognize who you all are from the group. And they're commenting and everything, and seeing like what you guys are investing in. I'm doing my best. Like, normally I'm not a name guy or anything like that, but it's amazingly awesome how I can see the chat right here with all your profile pictures, and so it's awesome in a way. It's really helping me be able to give this whole name and like face or like, if anything, what your picture is looking like. But you know, I got a lot, you know, if you have your face up in there, I have a good idea of your face. But, you know, you get what I'm saying. I love how social this is. It's keeping it very me connected and all this stuff, and so I love it, guys. So I really hope everyone that does find this channel finds an experience and they love it and they stick with us. We have people who have been watching almost every video since we've come out, like, what is it, almost 6-7 weeks ago, and it's been insanely amazing. We are truly people's morning routines, and who knows, maybe after this we can become a part an afternoon routine here. Better in afternoons for me. Kim says the afternoons. See, this is the other thing too. I'm forgetting, like, you know, we do this early in the morning on, so we are having a whole lot of people not showing up to a certain degree and having to watch the videos already posted and not having any real benefit, other than, you know, it's like watching an episode of Mad Money late. Like, it's great, it's informative, but you're like, oh man, if only I knew something a little before it, or any of this, yada yada. But no, it's great to talk stocks at this after hour. I'm loving it, especially with, like I said, it's a quiet house right now. This is it actually feels right doing this. So I hope this can take off. I didn't really come on with a idea of when to jump off or any of this stuff, but I think I may call it. I think I've been doing this for a good solid maybe 40 minutes now on this stream, but we were up for about 15 minutes prior before that. But like I said, guys, this has been very new. This is not the normal. If you guys enjoyed this, I need to see the likes, the loves, the hearts. I need to see all the reaction you can put on here. Just let me see. I gotta see how well this is gonna do, guys. And so let's see it with all that love. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're not part of the group yet and this was your first video, like, I'm glad I was able to find you. Like I said, we don't normally do this, so if I found you here in the afternoon, that's amazingly awesome. We also simultaneously stream on Twitch. We stream on YouTube. We also have a giveaway every Monday for $25 from Amazon. It's a gift card giveaway. All you have to do is like and follow the page, be part of the group, and share anything that has to do with Stock Talk 2020, guys. 1 second. We have one last little thing right here. What? Oh, Oh yeah, no, since we have so many people in here, let me go ahead and just reiterate what this is all about. Like I said, it really seems like there are more than a few eyes on here that are brand new. So what we do is we are we are doing our best to coalesce this family together. There's so many groups out there when it comes to stocks, because not just that, there are a lot of new people out there in the stock market world right now, and there are groups out there on Facebook by the thousands. We've all seen them by 50,000, 100,000, 80,000, and it's just to the point where they, you know, of course, accept everybody, and I get it, but it's to the point where the moderators can't have any hold on this group whatsoever because people are getting ripped. They're getting destroyed to certain degrees. Like, you want to share an investment or just be like, you know what, guys, it's been a harder day on the stocks than it usually. Like, when you have a hard day on the stocks, you want to talk about it. You kind of have to talk about it. If you're suffering quietly and you don't even want to tell your girlfriend like what happened with the stocks today because it just made you feel bad, it was a red day, and you're like, you know, I don't really want to talk to anybody. Like, you know, you kind of got to talk to some, like, if you could, you go to your groups, right? You're like, you know, let's see what kind of support I can find. And I'm seeing people go out to these Facebook groups and they're getting ripped. They're getting ripped heavy, and it's ridiculously, it sucks to the point of just like, you know, like, I came here for advice, and I have to sift through this little crap just to find the good advice. We don't want that here. Like I said, we do this live talks, but we made a Stock Talk Stock Talk 2020 family gathering group that you can be part of. If you don't know where it is, you can easily look it up. It's becoming very big. You could literally just go up to the search group Stock Talk 2020. You'll find my page. You'll find the family gathering group right after it. I'm sure we are like rocketing right up there amazingly. We are going to get noticed. Like, Facebook is going to know who we are, guys. We are going to get, like, seriously. But like I said, we are this family gathering group that does nothing but look out for each other. We encourage each other. We just want every day to start off the best it can be. Red day, green day, it doesn't even matter, okay? Like, we want every day to start off right. And we are doing our best to have the naysayers. I don't care how much you hate a stock, or you're like, I don't care how confused you are about somebody being in a stock. You can ask them, hey, why do you believe in this stock? What do you think about this stock? Do not enter this conversation going, oh my gosh, are you crazy? Why would you do that? This or that. And then expect the answer of why they're in it. That's not what this group is about. What this group is about is everybody doing what they can. Like, I get everyone might be having that thought, wow, that's crazy. Why are you doing it? But you know what? In this group is when you take that moment and you think what you're about to write down in these comments, and you say, whoa, all right, like I said, guys, if your head said that, say, can you share with me why you invested in this company? I'm curious to hear about it. Like, there are ways to construct this down, and like, oh honey, there's pizza on the stove. But there's ways we can definitely share our thoughts with another without the BS. And I'm dead serious, guys. I've seen so many conversations happen where it could have just been a productive conversation of just me just trying to understand what you're getting at, but then they just have to share their one side of how they think it's BS, and also like, and not even just that, maybe come back with like, oh, I feel like, oh, those are great news, but I feel like it already had that spike here and there. You might want to reevaluate this and that. But no, we want constructive things like that. That's what this group is about. That's what this is, we're trying to get into. And so, like, that is what we're trying to do our best to do. A great place for everyone to just get feedback and not worry about the shit talking. Sorry to say it like that, but yeah. My advice, let the stock info results talk, do majority of the talking, and let your channel grow that way. Good luck. Yeah, it's no problem with that at all, man. Like, I'm not, like I said, I'm not here for us finding the next big stock or any of that stuff. This is more of just being able to, like, you know, yeah, we talk stocks and we might find something new that hasn't been seen. But I'm not here striving. The goal is not, oh, why did we miss this stock? How did we not see this happen today? You were watching it live, this and that. It's not about that. It's not about finding what stocks are going to slip through, make money, this and that. That's not what this group is about. This group is about exactly what I said. Finding a group of people who want a community that they can find and start the day off right. That's what this group is about. And so if that's what you're looking for, check it out, dude. This is exactly what we have. And if it's not, just, I hate to say it, keep moving. It's kind of like, if it's not what you're looking for, like, look for that guy who's telling you what to buy and you do this, you do that. And like, I'm not that guy. I'm not here to tell you what to do, and nor am I telling you that you should do what I do or say. Like, this is all about, like I said, feeling good. Not in the sense of just feeling good. We're not about feely wishy-washy. It's all about, like I said, good vibes no matter what it looks like, all right? I'm not saying good, like, oh, it's going down. I'm like, don't worry, just wish hard enough. Like, none of that. Like, it's positive feedback of us saying you might want to pull back on that. I think it may have already hit this, like, you know, just, you know, looking out. But I believe this group is achieving something that we have not seen in other groups at all. And we are doing our best to hold it. And like I said, guys, it literally takes everybody to moderate this group. So like I said, guys, when it comes down to straight up snarky down shaming, any of that, I don't deal with it. So keep in mind, guys, you're all moderators out there. Tag any of us admins or moderators, or report anything that you think is like right there. Like I said, guys, if someone's shaming someone straight up, let me know. Like, it's ridiculous. Like if they're straight shaming, that's ridiculous. And I don't care if it starts off with excuse me, like, well, with all due respect, this crap, and then let me go into a nice long paragraph about how we should do things all nice and all stuff. I don't care. If you want to have a nice long paragraph about how to invest or this, leave that crap out of it and post what you got to post. All right. Okay, guys, I'm doing my best to keep this as enjoyable as we can make it. Like I'm beginning to notice that we are, let's see, what is it? My tongue's falling out and so is my brain. But no, it's been a positive, great stock talk here in the afternoon. A lot of good feedback. It may possibly stay up. Don't know if I'll do it tomorrow. We may see. Like I said, usually it's a full house, but I know full on I don't have anyone in the house tomorrow. So maybe if you guys just let me know, maybe we'll do that poll, like I said. And if it's just like astronomically high, like I'm like, you know what? They want it. It's got to happen. We got to somehow make a schedule for this. So let's see how it does. Maybe one or two. Like I said, we'll do a poll of if it should happen and if so, when. But if everyone's liking this, like I said, guys, like I'm glad that people are enjoying it. And I was doing nothing but sitting at home playing Call of Duty, and I'm like, I'm bored. Like, my girlfriend's not here. I have nothing to do. I'm like, I'm gonna go talk to my friends, which is all of you guys. And so I'm glad it worked out great. I'm glad that the freezing stopped that we were experiencing earlier. I ended up having to just restart my my router, and so I hope it's been an all-around enjoyable experience, guys. Like I said, I didn't really know when to end this. I just jumped on to have talk. I think it's going to be right here and now, guys. But it's been fun. I enjoyed the hell out of it. We're going to be here tomorrow morning early, 5:30 a.m. Pacific time. Remember that, Pacific, 5:30 Pacific. So do your math, guys, okay? And other than that, if you don't see me bright and early then, you might see me in the afternoon. Who knows? It felt great, guys. It felt great. Like, looking right and seeing the sunshine feels great. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, hit the button. Peace out. Take a little bit away with Shia LaBeouf.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it! If you're tired of starting over, stop giving up.